Hello all, I am Rajshekhar from Sunrise Institute of Education. Today I would like to share one simple topic which is related to organic and inorganic also. How we count sigma and pi bonds in given organic compound. Okay, first of all let us see three important rules. First one, whenever you see a single bond present in a compound that suppose for example either carbon-carbon single bond or CH single bond, that must and should be sigma only. Let us take for example, this is ethane molecule. Here in this carbon-carbon it is consisting of one single bond. A single bond is nothing but that must and should be sigma. Next here all this CH 6, okay, this 6 CH this also, okay, these all CH single bonds also belongs to sigma bond. That's why only sigma bond only present in single bond. Next let us see, whenever you see double bond that consisting of one sigma bond and one pi bond. Okay, it is consisting of one sigma and one pi. Next, whenever you see triple bond that is consisting of one sigma and two pi bonds. Okay, let us see some examples related this topic. First example, the formula is C2H4. The UPSC name of C2H4 is ethene. The common name is ethylene. Okay, let us count them. How many sigma bonds and pi bonds it has. Okay, first of all, let us write in detailed structure of this C2H4. Okay, it has two carbons now. First of all, write carbons 1, 2. It has two carbons C2. How many hydrogens are there? 4 hydrogens. That is nothing but each carbon is consisting of 2 hydrogens. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here, in general, here carbon valency here only 3 is there. This carbon is also only 1, 2, 3. Okay, generally carbon undergo tetravalency. That's why here one pi bond is present. Okay, according to its name, it is ethene. Okay, it belongs to alkene series. That's why it is must and should consisting of one double bond. Okay, let us count them. How many sigma and how many pi bonds are there? Generally, already I discussed in previous session. Okay, in CH, this is nothing but CH sigma bond. CH single bond. This is nothing but sigma. This is also CH single bond. This is also sigma. This is CH single. This is also CH single. These all four are sigma bonds. Here one carbon-carbon double bond is there. Here in this double bond, one must and should be sigma, second must and should be pi. That's why total how many sigma and how many pi bonds are present? Okay, total here one carbon-carbon sigma bond, 4 carbon hydrogen sigma bond, 1 carbon-carbon pi bonds are present. Okay, here 4. Okay, here 4 sigma CH bonds are present. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 sigma bond that is related to CH. Okay, next one carbon-carbon sigma bond. Okay, one sigma bond that is related to carbon-carbon. Carbon-carbon. Next, last pi bond that is related to carbon-carbon. One pi bond related to carbon-carbon. This is the information regarding to the first one. Okay, it has 4 CH sigma bonds, 1 carbon-carbon sigma bond, 1 pi bond. Okay, that's why total 5 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond is present. Okay, next let us see CH3COCH3. Okay, this CH3COCH3 is commonly known as acetone. The UPS name of compound is propanone. Why? Because it has 3 carbons. Okay, it has carbonyl group. Okay, it is nothing but it is belongs to ketone series. That's why it is called as propanone. Okay, let us write its expanded structure. Okay, CH3. Here CH3 is CH3. CH3. Next CO. C. Here double bond O. Next CH3. Okay, let us see. Here all single bond, that is nothing but either CH or CC, that motion should be sigma. Okay, that's why here this is sigma, sigma, this is also sigma, this is also sigma, CC sigma, here also sigma, sigma, sigma. Okay, next let us see here in this carbonyl. This is called as carbonyl group. CO, C double bond O group is called as carbonyl group. Here in this C double bond O, one motion should be sigma, second motion should be pi. Sigma. Okay, second motion should be pi. Next, okay, let us see, count them total. How many CH sigma bonds are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. 6 is related to sigma, that is nothing but CH. Okay, here 6 CH, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sigma, that is related to CH. Next, CC sigma bonds are 1, 2. Okay, 2 is nothing but CC sigma bond. Okay, 2 sigma, that is nothing but CC. Next, 1 sigma, that is nothing but CO. Okay, 1 sigma, that is nothing but CO, carbonyl. Next, 1 pi bond, that is nothing but CO. 1 pi bond, that is nothing but CO. This is the information. Total 6 CH sigma bonds, 2 carbon-carbon sigma bonds, 1 CO sigma bond, 1 pi bond, that is related to CO. Next, let us see third example. CH3CHO. It is commonly known as acetaldehyde. It is also having CO function group. It is also belongs to carbonyl, but under carbonyl it belongs to aldehyde function group. Okay. The IUPAC name is compound is ethanol. Why? Because aldehyde is commonly known as Al. Whenever, suppose for example, alcohol is there, that is called as OL. Okay. Here ethanol. Let us see its expanded structure. CH3. First of all, write CH3. CH3. Next, CH. Next, O. Here, carbon tetravalence is always satisfied. Okay. You should try to maintain it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Carbon tetravalence is satisfied. Second carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next, let us check them. Here, all the single bond at motion should be sigma. Sigma. Sigma, 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 sigma. Okay. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sigma bonds are present. Okay. Here in this C double bond O, one motion should be sigma, another motion should be pi. Okay. Next, count them. Total how many CH sigma bonds? CH sigma bonds are 1, 2, 3, 4. That is nothing but 4 sigma bonds, that is related to CH. Next, how many CC sigma bonds? Only one CC is there here. Only one carbon and carbon. Why? Because 2 carbons is there. That's why one carbon-carbon sigma bond is present. One carbon-carbon sigma bond. Next, what about this carbon oxygen? Okay. One carbon oxygen sigma bond, one carbon oxygen pi bond. One sigma related to carbon oxygen, one pi related to carbon oxygen. Total how many sigma bonds? Suppose for example, they ask total how many sigma bonds and how many pi bonds present in the 3 examples. Suppose for example, here in this ethene, total how many sigma bonds are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sigma bonds, only 1 pi bond is there. Here suppose for example, in the second example, propanone, how many sigma bonds and how many pi bonds are present, irrespective of CH or CC. Okay. Here in this propanone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond is present. Here in this acetaldehyde or ethanol, total how many sigma? Either it may be CC or CH. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. Okay. This is the information related to these 3 examples.